Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this wet and dry vacuum from the brand HYCHIKA, and I would say we get this package open and check out what we can expect from this vacuum. Give me a second. There's a lot of glue on here, or tape, whatever you want to call it. But we'll get there in a second. I'm just gonna dive right in. And now we got it open. You will see it's a really interesting design for sure, because it combines everything in one big bag-ish kinda, or box. So this is what it looks like. Let's get that out of there. To remove all the covers here, and that's the vacuum. And as you see, it is rolling around, and we got a little handle up here so we can carry it around easily, which is kind of nice, I guess, depending where you're going. But I mean, obviously, I think it's made for cars, but you can use it wherever you want. There's the switch for it, and then we've got this component up here. This is where our battery goes. It's extra secured because when you're doing something with wet water and all that, it's better if it's covered and it's not getting completely in touch. Then you got this vacuum here. You can extend it quite by a bit, which is helpful, but I guess since you have got reels on here anyways, I don't see why you would need such a long trunk, but whatever. Let's see what else. Up here there's the secure pad. If you open that up, there's a lot of goodies in here. This is also where our dust goes. There's a filter here, which is, I guess, needed most of the time. But yeah, as you see, there's a lot of stuff already in here that you can leave in there when you go somewhere, or you can just leave it out. It's up to you. A lot of goodies, a lot of manuals and all that. So I don't know, I would say we throw them on the side. There's an extra dust bag you can use, or you just use the whole component here or compartment. There's different head pieces you can choose from. There's another one. Just get that out and throw it to the side. Come on. Oh my gosh, come on. There we go. So here, that's what you get. That's the reels. They go underneath. I will show that in a second. Then this should be the battery, I think. We'll see. Maybe that's the charger for the battery. No, it's a battery, as I said. Yep. We'll show that in a second how that fits in there. It's pretty easy though. Put this to the side and then... Wait, there's another one. Do we get another extra? Oh yeah, we get an extra. Nice. That's always good. Oh no, it's a charger. We don't get an extra. My bad. Anyway, but you throw that in there to charge that up. Just like that, it snaps right in there, and then you can charge it. And then you can get to work and vacuum the out of whatever you want to. First, let's install the reels here. They're just gonna snap in there right the way. It's not that complicated. Um, but yeah, let's do that really quick. Come on. That's the third one. Okay, this one isn't going quite in as easy, but we will get there. And the last one as well. Yeah, I don't know. That should be it, I think. Yep, they're all the way in there. And now we can just roll that around and make it nice and smoothly for working. So that's exciting, right? So let's see. Let's throw all this junk back in there, which we don't need right now. Um, And then put the headpiece on. This would go there. Yeah, like I said, you can use it. I don't. I just use the whole storage here as a dust component, but that's totally up to you. Um, let's put all these on the side. And then you just shut it. And then this is where the battery goes, as I said before. Just turn that on, and then you just throw that in, just throw that on top. Snaps in quite nicely. You can turn it on easily. Then close the cap or the cover, and then you're good to go. Turn it on. As you see, it's lighting up. And then you're good to go. You don't hear anything right now because I muted the sound because I thought it was really loud, at least on camera. In real life, it wasn't as bad, but I didn't want the whole sound the whole time in the background. So, yeah, let's see. You can crank that out here to get move it more freely. So, yeah, all in all, pretty handy tool. And down here, come on, it's not letting me take it out. Why is it not doing it? It's another headpiece anyway, though. Yep, that's what it is. And you just stick that on there, and you can do your work and get over it and clean up your dirt or whatever you have in your car, like or wherever you're gonna clean. And that's gonna be it for today, guys. See you around. Better and out.